In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons on why you should have Site3D as a modeling software. But before we do that, I wanted to let you know that if you are actually looking to purchase Site3D, you can use the Site3D CTS code to get 5% discount. Now, this code is valid until 31st of March, and yeah, get the license while you can. So without further ado, let's begin. So the first reason is the speed in creating existing surfaces. In my experience, Site3D can create surfaces from topographical surveys faster than any software I've tested so far or I've worked with, even when you only have 2D information. This actually comes in hand because you can spend as little as 1 minute to create an existing surface. I've created a full tutorial on creating a ground model from a topo, so I'll leave a link in the description below. The second reason I would recommend Site3D is that it makes master planning and preliminary works phases of a project for both the architect and civil engineer easier. For example, the architect can import the topo and LiDAR information on a site and start sketching some road arrangements and plots from predefined libraries and produce more than one proposal. In terms of engineering, as you know, we sometimes get a site that the developer or contractor are trying to bid on, and they request for us to carry out some preliminary works on earthworks, road levels and drainage, and sometimes they want it like in the next 2 days. Well, the way Site3D has been set up, it makes it easy to create elements, roads and drainage for example, and even easier to modify them. From personal experience, it would take me between a day or 2 to review earthworks, roads and drainage using Site3D. The third reason might not resonate with you as much, as this is a thing that I do care personally. Site3D with each update keeps adding new features, and their technical team takes seriously customers' feedback and try to fix or improve things, usually within the next update. You can verify this by yourself by checking the version history. I'll leave a link in the description below. The fourth reason is that Site3D can work with different file formats. The software's import and export capabilities cover the major file formats that you may be using. You can import from different file formats such as DWG, KML, LandXML, LiDAR, borehole AGS, drainage module like causeway flow, info drainage and micro drainage. This will allow you to immediately start working on your project. And once done, you can export your design to even more formats that can make your life easier when somebody's asking you to export a specific file format because they don't have access to the software that you're using, Site3D. The last reason you should have Site3D, at least for the civil engineers, specifically drainage engineers, is that it gives you the ability to create all your network model within Site3D. This means you can add manholes, pipes, ponds and catchment areas within the software. And if you remember, the third reason that I mentioned is that Site3D's latest updates, now you can auto-size your network and find out your optimal outfall invert level required to make your system work, and run a simulation analysis within the software. And bear in mind, this is the first version of the simulation analysis update, so I'm confident we will be seeing a lot more in the near future. So what I'm trying to say is that all engineering companies can benefit by having at least one Site3D license to make their design easier. I hope you found this video informative. If you liked it, hit the like button, and if you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.